so far. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the benefits of a sandalwood powder for our face and also different face packs to use for different skin types. So let's get right into the video. There are two types of sandalwood that is available. The first one is a red sandalwood. I have a dedicated video where I explain you about the benefits of red sandalwood and also different face packs to prepare using the red sandalwood powder, and I will link it down below. And the second one is a white sandalwood powder, which we will be seeing in this video. I have used sandalwood powder in many of my videos to prepare the face pack, and it is known to give that instant glow to our skin. Sandalwood is one of the main ingredient that we can make it work for many skin types. As I said before, it gives that instant glow, and it also helps with acne and oily skin, and mixing up with other ingredients makes it great to treat dryness in our skin, and it gives that instant glow, and also it evens our skin tone, helps to fade the dark spots and also the acne scars as well. Before we get into face packs, I purchased this sandalwood essential oil recently. I've heard it before, but I've never used it. I purchased this one from Amazon, and I will link it down below. It is from the brand called Old Tree, and it is a sandalwood essential oil. I purchased like a 15 ml bottle of essential oil. There is a lots of information that is given in this box, and they've also mentioned a few recipes to use. I've never tried it, but I'm going to try it. If any of you guys have tried using sandalwood essential oil in their skincare routine, please let me know how you feel about it down in the comments below. The oil smells really great. As I mentioned, sandalwood is also very popular for its scent. When I received this oil, I applied a half a drop in my wrist, and I could smell it even the next day. The scent is really powerful. It is not an overwhelming scent, but it is a really good one. So in the package, it is mentioned add 3 drops per 50 ml to moisturize for nourishing all skin types. And we can also add it to our bathtub or to a pedicure tub. And they've also mentioned add 3 drops per 10 ml to shampoo for healthy hair, which I will be trying. And also add 2 to 3 drops to 10 ml of hand wash, which I will be trying as well. I'm going to add it to a hand wash and shampoo, and also I'm going to mix it with a carrier oil, for example with an jojoba oil, and use it as a skin oil before going to bed. And there was few precautions, they have recommended not to use it on babies, kids, pregnant women or lactating women. And they have also, since it is an essential oil, they recommend not to apply it directly on our skin. Yeah, I'm very excited to try this oil, and I will link the exact one. Today I'm going to share 4 different kinds of face packs using the sandalwood powder as the main ingredient. First face pack is a basic sandalwood face pack. Combine these 2 ingredients to form a thin paste, and apply it all over your face and neck area, and allow it to dry completely, and then you can wash it off with water by doing a gentle massage. This basic face pack is safe to use every day. It gives that instant glow to our skin. The second one is a sandalwood face pack that helps to fade tan. Along with sandalwood powder, I'm using an orange peel powder and yogurt. Orange peel powder works great with tan. I'm making a thick paste out of all these and apply it all over the face and neck area. I'm using an homemade orange peel powder, and I have a detailed video on how to prepare this orange peel powder at home, and I will link it down below. I recommend using this face pack at least twice a week for a better result. And the third face pack is for oily skin and also to treat acne. Combining sandalwood with a turmeric powder works great in treating acne. If there is like too much oil secretion in your skin, this is the go-to face mask. Combine all these ingredients to make like a paste and apply it all over the face and neck area. And as usual, like wash it off once the face mask is completely dry. The last one is a sandalwood face pack for dry skin. Here I'm combining sandalwood powder with honey. Honey works great for dry skin. If you have like dryness near your nose and chin area, honey and sandalwood is the perfect combination. Combine these ingredients to form a paste and apply it all over your face. Keep the face pack on your face at least for like 20 minutes and then you can wash it off. You can repeat this face mask twice a week for better results. As always, I will have a detailed blog post with additional information about sandalwood powder and also the face packs that I mentioned in this video in my blog post, and I will leave a link to it down below. I really hope you guys found this video useful. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.